Exercise 5b of quadratic equation. We are going to solve question number 7, which is 16 into 4 to the power x plus 2 minus 16 into 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to write 4 in the power of 2. So how we can write? We can write 2 power of 2 into x plus 2 minus 16 into 2 x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So now what we have to do is we know that a to the power m to the power n is nothing but a to the power n to the power m. Okay, so likewise we can interchange its power. So 16 into 2 to the power x plus 2 whole square minus 16 into 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we know that a to the power m plus n is nothing but a to the power m into a to the power n. So we apply this here. 16 into 2 to the power x plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 of whole square minus 16 into 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now let's suppose 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to t. Let this is equal to t. So 16 into t square and this 2 square minus 16 into 2x plus 1 is t. So 16t plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is this is 4 and 16. 16 4 64 t square minus 16t plus 1 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation to get the value of t. Okay, now this is 64 and this is 1. What we have to do is we have to multiply 1 with the coefficient of t square, which is 64. Now we have to divide in such a way that we get 16. Okay, so how we can divide? 8 8 is 64. While adding this we get minus 16. Okay, so this is 64 t square minus 8t minus 8t plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to take common 8t. We have left with 80 minus 1, 80 minus 1, and we have to take common minus 1. We have left with 80 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 80 minus 1 and here 80 minus 1 is equal to 0. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, then we know that 80 minus 1 is equal to 0, then 80 is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1 by 8, and we can write this in the form of 2 to the power minus 3, and we know that t is nothing but t is 2x to the power x plus 1. So now t is equal to 2 to the power minus 3, and we know that t is nothing but t is 2x plus 1, 2 to the power x plus 1. Then we put the value of t to the power x plus 1 and 2 to the power minus 3. So from here we know that x plus 1 is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 4. Okay, so this is our answer. This is 3 to the power 4x plus 1 minus 2 into 3 to the power 2x plus 2 minus 81 is equal to 0. So here we apply a to the power m plus n is nothing but a to the power m into a to the power n. So here 3 to the power 4x into 3 minus 2 into 3 to the power 2x into 3 square minus 81. Now here we can write 3 square to the power 3 to the power 2x the whole square into 3 minus 2 into 9 into 3 to the power 2x minus 81 is equal to 0. Now 3 to the power 2x is equal to t. Let this is equal to t. So here t square, that is 3t square minus 9 to the 18 t minus 81 is equal to 0. Okay, then what we have to do is we have to multiply that 81 with 3. So we get 3 8 3 ja 24. Now what we have to do is we have to do prime factorization of that. So first is 3, we get this 3 27 3 9 3 and 3 1. Now Now we have to arrange this in such a way that we get minus 18. So how we can arrange? We have these factors, so we arrange 27 minus 9, which is 18. Okay, so we just put here 3t to the power 2 minus 27t plus 90 minus 81, which is equal to 0. From here we have to take 3t, we left with t minus 9. Okay, now from here we have to take 9, that is t minus 9, which is equal to 0. From here we have to take common t minus 9, we are left with 3t plus 9, which is equal to 0. So from here t is equal to minus 9 by 3, and from here t is equal to 9. So we can write 9 in the power of 3, so this is 3 square, and we have supposed that t is nothing but that t is 3 to the power 2x. So 3 to the power 2x is 3 to the power 2. So after comparing the powers, we get 2x is equal to 2, just cancelled out, we get x is equal to 1. This is our answer. Okay, now from here this is our answer. Now in question number 9, it is mentioned that 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 minus 4, this is x minus 1 upon 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. So this is reciprocal of this, so let's suppose this is 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 is t. So this, if this is t, this is 4 by t is equal to 3. If we just take LCM, then this is t square minus 4 divided by t is equal to 3t. Okay, so this is t square minus 3t minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Now what we have to do is we have to just break this 4 in such a way that we get minus 3. So this is 4 1 4, so t square minus 3t plus t minus 4 is equal to 0. If we take common t, then it is t minus 3. If we take common 1, then this is t minus, sorry, this is 4, this is 4. Okay, so this is t minus 4, which is equal to 0. If we take common t minus 4, we are left with t plus 1 is equal to 0. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, then t is equal to minus 1. If this is equal to 0, then t is equal to 4. If you write this is equal to this, then from 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, just multiply, cross multiply this. This is 2x minus 3 multiplied with x plus 1. Then if we take minus x that side, then it becomes positive, and this becomes 3x. If we take minus 3 that side, then that becomes positive, which is 4. So x is equal to 4 by 3. This is our first answer. And from this, if we take 2x minus 3 by x minus 1 is equal to 4, we just multiply that. 2x minus 3 is equal to 4x minus 4. If we just move this 2x that side, then this become 2x. We just move that 4 that side, then this become 1. Okay, so value of x is 1 by 2. So it has to be with this and this. Okay, and question number 10 is x plus 1 by x square is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 by x. Now what we have to do is, let's suppose this is equal to t, x minus 1 by x is equal to t. Okay, then squaring both sides, squaring both the side. If we square both side, we get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to t square. If we just add 4 both sides, then this become x square plus 1 by x square plus this become plus 2 and this become plus 4. Here what we have to do, add 4 both the side. Okay, now this became x plus 1 by x whole square. Okay, which is equal to t square plus 4. So in the place of x plus 1 by x ka whole square, we have to put this value, which is t to the power t square plus 4. 4 plus 3 by 2, and in the place of this we put t. After taking LCM, this is 8 plus 3t divided by 2, which is t square plus 4. If we just cross multiply, this becomes 2t square plus 8 equal to 8 plus 3t. Okay, if we just move this become 3t, and this 8 and 8 will get cancelled out. 8 and 8 will get cancelled out. We just take common t, we left with 2t minus 3, which is equal to 0. So either t is equal to 0 or t is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so from here we know that we have supposed that x minus 1 by x is equal to 0. If this, then x is equal to 1 by x. If we just cross multiply, then x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to plus minus 1. This is one answer. And the second answer is beta x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2. So if we just take LCM, here x square minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2. Just cross multiply, we get x 2x square minus 2, which is equal to 3x. We just take 3x that side, then it become negative 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. What we have to do is we have to just multiply this 2 with the coefficient of x square, which is 4, and we have to divide in such a way that we get 3. So we divide into 4 into 1. Okay, so this becomes 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we just take out 2x, we left with x minus 2. If we take 1 out from there, then this become x minus 2 is equal to 0. If we take x minus 2 out of there, we left with 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is our answer. Okay. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is under root 2x plus 7, which is equal to x plus 2. Now what we have to do is we have to squaring both sides. Squaring both the side. Then if we square both sides, then this become 2x plus 7, or this become x plus 2 whole square. This is x square plus 4 plus 4x, and this become 2x plus 7. If we just take all this 2x and 7 that side, then this become x square plus 2x, because this 2x goes that side and become minus 2x, and this 7 go that side and become minus 7, and minus 7 and plus 4 become minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply 3 with the coefficient of x square, which is 3. We have to divide in such a way that we get 2. So 3 1 ja 3. After subtracting, we get 2. X square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here what we have to do is we have to take x common out from there. Okay, from here we have to take minus 1 common out from there, and it's become x plus 3 is equal to 0. So either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if this becomes 0, then x is equal to 1. If this becomes 0, then x is equal to 3. So this is our answer. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is beta 2 into under root of 2x plus 1, which is, if we just transfer this 2x that side, that become 2x plus 1. Now squaring both the side. Squaring both the side, then it becomes 4 into 2x plus 1, and if I square that side, then it becomes this. This is 4x square, this is 1 square, this is 4x. Okay, this become 8x and this become 4. After transferring this, we left with 4x square, and if this 8x goes that side, then it become minus 8x plus 4x, and this 4 goes that side, then it become minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 0. So here this become 4x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what we have to do is we have to multiply this 3 with the coefficient of 4, and it become 12. Okay, now if we have to divide in such a way that we get 4, so this is 6 2 is 12, 6 minus 2 is 4, so this is 4x minus 6x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here we just take common 2x, we left with 2x minus 3. If we just take 1 out of there, then we left with 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So from here we just take common 2x minus 3 common out of there, then we left with 2x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, then it becomes x is equal to 3 by 2. If this is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is our answer.